let me go. I'll suck anything.
Anything? Bro, take the bag off.
Bag has some hair in it. What the fuck? Y'all run with Triple K? Shut up! Where is he? Fuck you. Where is Waldo?
Yo, gang, relax.
Nah, fuck all that. You got until a Mexican says the N-word to tell me. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Oh shit, that's me. Yeah.
Why is your
My
phone not on D&D? Man, are you sorry?
No.
Yes, you are.
Damn, how'd you know? You are the only one on this fucking planet with that goofy ass ringtone.
It's not goofy. It's creative.
No, don't take it. Now we gotta get. Why isn't your phone on D&D? Shut up.
Yo, I gotta call you back.
Ty?
What? No.
Yes, it is. Damn it. Why'd you have to figure it out? Why can't you have normal ringtone?